Hi, and welcome back to another video, and welcome back to the channel. Now, as you can see from the thumbnail, in today's video we're going to do the input and a new code into the radio. Now obviously this is a co-pilot car that we've been fixing up, and at some point we've had to take the battery off. By doing that we have no code to put back in. And this video is all about how we find the code and how we put the code into the radio and get it working again. So I have done a video on the switch for the mirror, and if you'd like to watch that video I'll leave a link in the description below. So best thing to do is get stuck in and see how we get on. Like, I've never done this before, so it's just about bear with me and we'll get this sorted. So here we go. Console off, take the radio out, and at the back is the 4-digit code that we're going to need to get the radio to work. You have to pull this off at the top and give it a good bit of a yank at the bottom, and then that comes off just there. And we have 4 screws here with a torque XZ like this, and we just undo those. Just bear with me while we get these out. There. Right, now the theory is if we take this radio out, somewhere it should lift out, and top of the radio there is a 4-digit code. So apparently to get the radio code for the Clio, on the back, which I'll show you in a moment, on the back of the radio there's a 4-digit code. Now when the screen comes up, all you can input is numbers, but there's a letter, it starts with a, on this case it's a M, the letter M. So you can't put the M in there, so you have to go on a code generator on the internet. So I googled code generator, and a free Renault code generator came up. Now apparently I've got to put the last 4 digits, that is the starting with the M, into this code generator. It'll recognise what that is when I press this little bit here, and then that will give me a code to put into the radio. So that's the plan, that's what I think I've got to do. So that's what we'll do right now. I'll just show you the code that's on the back of the radio. Just on the back right there it says M461. M461. Don't know if you can see that. That's what I put in. Let's have a go. Something's happening. We have a code for your radio in our database available. Enter your email address. Okay. Get radio code. Huh. That's ridiculous. So it says free radio code on there, if you can see that. See it there? But the app is now saying you'll have to wait 24 hours and it'll obviously be emailed to me, or I can get it instantly for a fee. I don't think I'm going to pay any fee. So that one can go, and I'll just keep looking on the internet to see what free, proper free means, which means I just want to give my code, which is on there. Give me the code, I can put in there. Why on earth, if you look at this, you can see that, why can't they just on the screen give you the option of putting in a letter rather than just numbers, or just put numbers on the code? Why do they have to make things so difficult? It just beggars belief. The code's on the back of there, but I can't input it onto the radio. What's the point of that? Unbelievable. Okay, so I think I may have cracked it. Now, I went on the internet and looked for a code generator app. Now, the first one I went on, I put the code in and it asked me for a fee. The second one, it's come up with a code here. So I'm going to put that code in and see if it works. So we've got 115959. Press OK. Bingo. It's working. As you can see that, we have the radio back on. So now all is left to do is put this back together. As you can see, we now have our radio nav all working. Let's see if the sound's on. Turn that off, I don't want to get a strike against me. But yeah, at last everything's working as it should. Okay, so we've got the radio working at last, and as you can see, it was a bit of the job taking the console off wasn't a problem, getting the radio out wasn't a problem, getting the code, that was a different matter. But we did, and we've got it, and the radio is working perfectly fine now. So I hope this video has given you an idea of what you need to do to find the code, and I hope it helps you if you're in the same position. If you haven't got a code for your radio, by watching this at least you'll know where to find it and how to input it. So thanks for watching the video, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do so, and if you like the video, hit the like button, because that really does help. And I'll see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching, see you again soon. Keep right on.